Hi there, I'm Daniel Anish, your tireless English speaking teacher, and it's a pleasure to welcome you to an awesome new video today. I know that you are impatient, but I come with this video for you talking about some other ways of saying easy in English. Je connais nous impatients, mais venir avec vidéo ça pour venir aider nous à essayer nous sur l'autre façon que nous capable dire facile en anglais. It's not all the time easy, c'est pas tout le temps pour dire easy, mais il y a l'autre façon qu'on capable dire ça, il y a l'autre phrase, and today I come with many phrases for you just to teach you other ways of saying easy in English. Pas oublier tout pour like et abonner avec channel nous qui c'est ANGLè tout partout sur YouTube. Utilisez page Facebook nous YouTube, teacher Daniel Anish, teacher Duquesne Joseph, et puis on peut apprendre parce que là vous m'aidez à apprendre à parler anglais facile or easy. Tout le monde connaît comment on dit facile en anglais, c'est easy, E-A-S-Y, easy. It's easy, like it would be said, it's not easy. C'est pas facile in a song. So easy is not difficult to do, not difficult to realize, something which is not hard to do, something which is not hard to realize. It is easy. When something is not hard to do, it is easy. I can say it's not hard to eat something, but it's easy to eat something. You see? So nous allons apprendre quelques phrases, et qui première phrase que nous allons commencer à avoir, une façon pour capable dire easy. Essayer dire l'autre bagaille pour capable élargir connaissance pour éviter à répéter un seul bagaille, c'est objectif nous ça parce que nous là pour nous aider à apprendre à parler anglais. The first sentence is, première phrase c'est I could do it with my eyes shut. I could do it with my eyes shut. Ma pour prendre phrase pour nous, I could do it with my eyes shut. I could do it with my eyes shut. Son bagay m capable faire ma même besoin garder. Son bagay extrêmement facile. I could do it with my eyes shut. I could do it with my eyes shut. Ça c'est une façon pour éviter dire easy. Oh, it's easy. Oh, this exercise is easy. Oh, I could do it with my eyes shut. Exercice ça m ka fait sans garder. I could do it with my eyes shut. So, another way of saying something easy without using the word easy. Une autre façon que vous êtes capable de dire easy sans pas même utiliser le mot easy. You know, racket. Racket. Nous connaissons racket, something that is difficult, something that is hard to build or construct. You can say, vous êtes capable de dire, it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Nous connaissons racket, c'est fusée. Leur parler, leur dire, ah, bah, c'est très facile pour me faire. Non, là, mon exercice pour me faire, mon travail pour le faire. It's not rocket science. Don't worry. If you have your friend, like my friend Duquesne, and I say, I have something to do, you say, can I help you? No, it's not rocket science. M'gen Duquesne qui ses amis, m'di, ah, mon ba m'bral faire la caméra, il dit, m'ka edo, m'di, no, it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Ça veut dire c'est pas un bagage qui est trop difficile, c'est pas un bagage qui est difficile. Donc on est pour me faire fuser son bagage qui est extrêmement difficile. You know, it's not rocket science. Watching me is not rocket science. Watching this video is not rocket science. How many of you like pie? Combien de nous qui aiment pie? What is pie? Pie is what they say in French. Pie c'est ça que vous dit en français. Tart. Tart c'est une sorte de pâté que vous faites que vous mettez de fruits en dedans, etc. Vous relez ça tarte pendant vous mangez les puis et fruits gain l'autre bagaille que vous mettez vous mélangez en dedans. That's pie. Pie, P-I-E, c'est P-I-E, pie. But when something is extremely easy, you can say it's easy as pie. Okay? On va dire on va être très facile. Vous comprenez? On va dire on va être très facile. Or it's easy as pie. Or you can say too, it's easy as ABC. Nous connaissons ABCD. Repeat ABC is easy for kids, for baby. You can say it's easy as pie, or it's easy as ABC. It's easy as pie. It's, or it is. Si vous voulez parler normal comme ça, on va dire it is. It is easy as pie. On va remarquer que j'utilise easy dans deux phrases. So, c'est juste pour montrer que ça n'a parlé à l'extrêmement facile. L'on parle d'un bagage extrêmement facile. Dans ça avant qu'une barre, dans phrase avant qu'une barre, on pas mentionner easy. C'est ou pas répéter easy. But dans deux phrases avant qu'une barre, la easy as pie, it's easy as pie, or it's easy as ABC. C'est juste pour parler d'un bagage extrêmement easy. Anyone can do it. But you can say for something that is easy, anyone can do it. Ou capable dire ça tout. L'on bagage très facile. Ou reprenez l'on bagage facile. Ou capable dire n'importe monde qui a fait ça. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. When n'a juste mouto gars jam font cob, anyone can do it. I mean gars jam sont nèg qui intelligent. Anyone can do it. N'importe monde qui a fait ça. Anyone can do it. You know how they say that in English? They say that snap, you know? I snap. Do you know how to snap? I snap. Here they say that it's snap. So another way of saying that something is easy, you can say it's a snap. En l'autre façon pour dire un bagage facile, you can say it's a snap. Okay, son bagage on claque doigt, m'fait, un bagage très facile, but I need 1,000 Haitian dollars. Oh, it's a snap for my boss. Besoin $1,000 là. Ça c'est on claque doigt boss moi là-bas moi. You know, it's a snap. Something that is easy, you say it's a snap. But you can say too, it's a breeze. It's a breeze. Oh yeah, it's a breeze. That is a breeze, man. It's not too difficult. It's not difficult. It's a breeze. It's a breeze. I'm capable de dire it's a snap. L'on est facile, très facile. Me dire it's a snap. I'm capable de dire tout it's a breeze. L'on est facile. Not difficult. It's easy. It's a breeze, man. C'est pas chaque jour, man. M'pa joindre ça sur ordinateur, non? Ou quoi ça pas joindre non? It's a snap, man. Quoi ça pas joindre non? It's a snap. So facile. On clique seulement. Ou fait. It's a snap. It's a breeze, man. It's a breeze. On l'autre façon que vous capable dire ça sans que vous pas utiliser le mot easy. You can say it's a cinch. You know, it's a cinch. Like eating some food, like eating an apple is a cinch. Oh, it's a cinch, man. What are you doing is a cinch. So fait là, somebody très facile. Very easy or extremely easy. You can say it's a cinch. Oh yeah, watching TV is a cinch. You just sitting down and watching TV. You're watching TV, you know. It's a cinch. It's not something that is difficult. It's like a drinking water. C'est comme de l'eau à boire. It's like a drinking water. L'autre dit on bagay it's a cinch. Son bagay qui très facile. It's a cinch. Son bagay très facile pour à faire. It's like a drinking water. Comme de l'eau à boire. It's like a drinking water. Or it's like a piece of cake. You know, a piece of cake. Un morceau de gâteau, a piece of cake, un morceau gâteau, somebody qui très facile. When you have it in your hand, you just put it in your mouth. It's really easy, extremely easy. It's a piece of cake, c'est très facile. Un piece of cake, c'est un morceau gâteau, ça fait un morceau gâteau. Mettez-le dans la bouche, mangez ça. It's a piece of cake. You know, watching my video or subscribe to my channel is a piece of cake. Abonner à channel moi, c'est un piece of cake. Somebody will just clicker, you just click, you click, and then it is done. You know, a piece of cake. It's a snap, it's a breeze, it's a cinch, it's a piece of cake. They are informal. Sambanula, it's a snap, it's a breeze, it's a cinch, it's a piece of cake. Ça c'est expression qui informelle, but you can use it. Let me tell you that it's a piece of cake, this expression, it's a piece of cake is very popular. People use it a lot. Ça, c'est une expression qui est très populaire, moun yo utiliser l'empile. It's a piece of cake. You know, it's a piece of cake. You say that what I'm doing is a piece of cake? Yes, it's a piece of cake. If you're watching my video every time and you study, it's going to be a piece of cake for you. Now it's time to remind you what you've been learning with me today in this new video. Ça, c'est moment pour me rappeler ça me saute enseigner dans nouveau vidéo ça. So you've been learning about ou saute apprendre when something is easy, l'on est facile ou capable dire ça sans répéter easy ou capable dire I could do it with my eyes shut. I'm capable de faire ça, j'ai fermé. I could do it with my eyes shut. I can speak with my eyes shut. You see that? Secondly, it's not a rocket science. It's not a rocket science. C'est pas difficile. It's not a rocket science. And then It's easy. Dans deux expressions ça a le mot easy qui te paraît. It's easy as pie. C'est facile tant qu'on tarte, tant qu'on un petit gâteau. You know? It's easy as ABC. C'est facile comme ABC, ABCD. Anyone can do it. N'importe monde capable de faire ça. Anyone can do it. It's easy as ABC. It's easy as pie. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. And then after, you can say it's a snap. It's a snap. It's a breeze. It's a cinch. And it's a piece of cake. It's a snap. It's a breeze. It's a cinch. It's a piece of cake. You know, it's a piece of cake. It was a big pleasure teaching you this today. And I am preparing something new for you. Je prépare l'autre bagage qui nouveau pour vous parce que après men et vous dit haïtien, remen supporter haïtien, c'est ça qui fait nous tourner avec vidéo encore parce que on fait amour abonner avec channel nous qui c'est anglais tout partout. Allez sur Facebook, like page moi. I am teacher Daniel and you know that and I know you love me and I'm working hard to offer you best work. Je travaille plus dur pour m'offrir plus bon travail. Pas oublier allez à l'abonner, partagez vidéo nous yo chaque jour pour capable joindre plus bon vidéo. I love you and I hope you love me too and you will make progress. Bye bye.